Please pause the video until you have solved each problem. Then play the video to make sure you have it correct. 3/4 plus 1/6. The first step is to find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. This is 12. So we are going to change both of the denominators so that they are out of 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So I'm going to take the numerator times 3, which will give me a 9. 6 times 2 is 12. So I'm going to take the numerator of 1 times 2 to get a 2. My denominators stay the same, and I add the numerators. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 twelfths. 11 twelfths does not have any common factors between 11 and 12, so it is in simplest form. Problem number 2. 2/9 plus 2/6. Again, I need to find the least common multiple of 9 and 6. This is 18, so I need to change both of my denominators to be an 18. 9 times 2 is 18. So I take the numerator times 2 also. 2 times 2 gives me the equivalent fraction of 4/18. I need to change my 6 to an 18, which means I'm taking it times 3. I then take the numerator of 2 times 3 to get 6/18. Adding my numerators together, I get 10/18. This fraction I do have to reduce because both 10 and 18 are even. So I divide both the numbers by 2, and I get 5/9. This is the fraction in simplest form. Number 3, 8/10 minus 3/8. Again, I need to find my LCM. That means that 10 and 8 can both change to become 40. So 40 is going to be my new denominator. 10 times 4 is 40, so I take the numerator times 4. 8 times 4 gives me a numerator of 32. 8 times 5 is 40, so I have to take the numerator times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Then I can subtract the numerators. 32 minus 15 is 17/40. 17 and 14 do not share any factors, so that is simplest form. Number 4, I need to find the common denominator or the least common multiple of 12 and 4. Well, 4 can become 12, so that means 12 is my common denominator. So 10/12 can stay the same. I just need to change the second fraction to have a denominator of 12. 4 times 3 is 12, so I need to multiply the numerator times 3. This gives me a 9. Subtracting 10 minus 9, I get 1/12. That is simplest form, so that is my final answer. Number 5, 6/7 minus 2/3. My least common multiple of 7 and 3 is 21. So both numbers have to change to become a 21. This is simply taking them times each other. So 7 times 3 is 21. I multiply my numerator times 3 to get 18. 7 times 3 gives me 21 for the next one, so I have to take the numerator of 2 times 7 for 14. Now that I have my equivalent fractions, I can subtract the numerators. 18 minus 14 is 4, and my denominator stays the same. 4 and 21 do not have any factors in common, so that is the simplest form and my final answer. 14/15 minus 2/40. This one's a little trickier because 15 and 4 don't have any factors in common, which means to find my least common multiple, I'm going to multiply the two numbers times each other. This is going to give me a least common multiple of 60. To get 15 to change to 60, I'm going to take times 4. So I need to take 14 times 4. Remember, you can use a calculator for these operation problems if you need to. 14 times 4, 10 times 4 is 40, 4 times 4 is 16. Add the 2, that gives me 56, so 56/60. Again, I need to take the other fraction, 2/4 times 15/15. So 2 times 15 is 30. 56 minus 30 is a 26 over 60. Since both numbers are even, I can start by dividing by 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13. 60 divided by 2 is 30. They do not share any other factors, so that is my final answer in simplest form. Our last problem is a story problem. Craig is making a costume for the school play. He needs 2/6 yard of ribbon for the hat and 2/5 yard of ribbon for the shoes. How much ribbon does he need? So we need to add the two pieces together. So we are going to do 2/6 plus 2/5. My common denominator of those two numbers is going to be 30, which is again just multiplying them times each other. So I need to take 2 times 5 to get my 10 and 6 times 2 to get 12. Now that I have equivalent fractions with the same denominator, I can add my numerators together. 22 30ths. 22 and 30 are both divisible by 2. So when I divide 22 by 2, I get 11. 30 divided by 2 is 15. And our unit is yards, and that is my final answer.